Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply register or create an Walgreens account from your mobile device. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, simply go ahead and open App Store or Play Store depending on whatever device you are on, and simply search for Walgreens just like that. Once you've done that, all you need to do is tap on this application, download and install it onto your device, and now click on open. Now, once you've done that, on this page on the top right hand side of your screen, all you want to do is simply tap on this person icon and click on register. Once you've done that, go ahead and fill out this form, your first name, your last name, your email, your password, and click on I read and agree to Walgreens use and terms, and simply click on continue. They're going to send you a verification code to the email that you provided. Simply enter that verification code back and your account will be ready. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next